Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to create a subset collections. So stay with me, I will show you how to do it. So guys, in this schema I am going quickly to explain you what I mean with the subset collections and why we need to create it, right? So let's take this example here. Let's say this is your Shopify store. And in Shopify store, when you create your store and you need to add like your products and all data you need, every product like pictures and price and description, etc, etc. After creating your all products or adding your product to your Shopify store, you need to separate them by creating collection and putting them on collections, right? Let's say here in this example, let's say we have like a fashion store. And in this fashion store we have like men's collections, women's collection and children collections, let's say. But for example, for men collection we have a lot of or different categories of products. Let's say for example we have watches, we have shoes, we have t-shirts for men, right? And here it is very interesting maybe to separate them and create a special collection for every category of product. Let's say for watches we are going to create one collection. For shoes, for men's, we are going to create a collection. T-shirts also we are going to create another collection, etc. You understand what I mean? And what is interesting here is to add all of these collections here as a subset collection and add them in one main collection, which will be in this example men's collections, let's say. Okay, because on Shopify store by default you cannot add anything else, and only you can add on collections are products, right? But you cannot to add, for example, collections in one collection, right? And why we are doing these things? Because it's just to help a customer or a potential customer to directly and quickly find the product he is searching about or collection of product. Let's say for example he is searching about watches on your store, so you can just when he click, for example, he arrive on your store homepage, let's say on the main menu or on your homepage, he can find directly like men's collection. He click on it, and instead to have like thousands and thousands of products, watches, shoes, t-shirts and everything in one, he can only quick if if you cannot be organized your store, right? So we are going to create watches collections, shoes collections and t-shirt collections. So once he click on men's collections, he will be redirected on these men's collections, and in this men's collection you will find like watches collections, shoes collections, t-shirt collections, etc, etc. So I hope you understand what I mean. So now let's go to practice. Okay guys, so here we are in the Shopify store. So the first thing we are going to do is to come here on products, right, and then collections. And here in collection you will need to create here all of the collections, like categories of products, and put them in one collection. Let's say here like men's shoes, and here men's watches, and t-shirts for men, and here watches for women, and etc. I will explain you here better on this schema. So here you are going to create like watches subset collections, and shoes subset collections, and t-shirts, and etc. But here in the schema it is subset collections, but here on the Shopify store all of them are like a normal collection. So the main collection for men's, for example, let's say, and the subset collections like t-shirts for men's and shoes for men's and watches for men's, let's say here in Shopify store, sorry, it's all of them are considered like, let's say, like a normal collection, right? So I created all of them here, let's say these subset collections. So what I'm going to do right now is to add like the main men's collection, right? I'm creating this one. I will not do all of them, right? So I will do just like, for example, for you, like a men's collection, and then you will understand, okay? So what we are going to do here is create collection, and then here let's say just we can create men's collection or collections, right? Okay, so here we are going to save. Oh, okay, here we choose manual. Okay, save. Great. So here guys, online store theme template. By default, we have only default collection. This means that it's a normal collection where you can just only add like products, right? You see here just products. But you are going to create these subset collections like a way that you can add after that, like in this collection, no products, but subset collections. You can add all of this. Okay? Okay. So what we are going to do here, so you come back on online store, right? And here customize the theme. As you see here, me, I choose like down, which is one of the 2.0 stores of Shopify. So what you are going to do here. So here you come to collections, you click. Here you have just only default collection as I told you, which is a normal collection created by default by Shopify. So you can add only products in it, but you are going to add like a subset collections in one collection. So we create here a template, and you can name it, for example, like men's collections, let's say, right? Here, just let it as a default collections. We do not have another choice. So create a template. Let it to be created. Okay. So collection banner, we do not need it, right? So collection banner is this one. So we can just hide it. Me, I hide it before when I do tests, but I think here by default it will show also like product grid, but you do not need to show it on subset collection, right? So you can hide it and save. Great. So our template is created here. So right now what we are doing for to create our subset collection is to come here in add section, right? And here you will choose list collections or collection list. Yeah, this one. You see? So right now save. So what we did here is we created like a subset collections because everyone on the square will be going to show one collections. These are the subset collections I am talking about, right? So what we are going to do here, we can here add, for example, men's collections, right? Save. Yeah. And here we are going to add our subset collections. Let's say here for men's, like men's shoes, right? Select, and then we come back here. The second one is, let's say, like what else I created? T-shirts, right? And third one, we can choose. I think I added watches, something like that. Yeah, watches, men's watches, right? Save. Great. You see here, my friends? So here we created like a subset collections in one collection, right? So here also, if you can see here, the pictures are not showing good. So what we are going to do here, collection, and here you come in image ratio, sorry. So square, no, but you will choose adapt to image. Boom, you see here? Now the image is adapted to very well and to show very well. So yeah, that's it. Right now we created like our main collection and subset collections we added right now, right? So right now, congratulations, my friend. So you created your subset collections for men's, but for now it's just in turn. So we need to show this on our store, right? So I'm going to show you also how to add it in here. For example, let's say one moment here on the main menu, right? And also I created before, like just I added like an image here and the title here of the collections, right? Okay guys, so now after creating like our subset collections and the main collection for men's, let's say here, for to take the same example, so we are coming back here, we are coming back on our store, right? And the first thing you are going to do is come back here on collections, because right now we created our main collection where we added all of our like subset collections for men. So we click here on men's collection, like the main one. And as I told you before, here we had only for team template only default collections. If we click right now and you see here men's collection, this is our subset collection. So here we are going to replace, let's say, products by collections, right? Okay, great. So here we created our main collection and we added our subset collection. So right now we are going to show on our, let's say, main menu, right? So we click here navigation and then main menu. It's in French for this reason, it's written like this. Okay, it is means like home, catalog is catalog, it's the same, and contact. So here we are going to add on the main menu here, let's say, men's collection. Okay, so we click here and then link collections and men's collection, right? This is our main collection we added. So same menu. And now if we refresh here our store, you see we created our men's collection, the main one we are put in here, and we added like 3 these subset collections, which all of them are a normal collection considered here in the Shopify store, right? So here right now, if we click on men's collection, we are going directly to subset collections, my friends. So congratulations, here we created our subset collections, right? And on every subset collection here, if you click, you are going to see like 4 products that contain every one of these subset collections, right? Me, I did not choose, like I did not add like products, so I think it's empty here. Yeah, you see. But of course, when you create your all collections, like shoes collection, t-shirt collection, and you add for every one of them like products, of course here in the main collection, let's say for men's, and on this subset collection you are going to see all other products, right? So the last one thing I would like to show you is, for example, customize, how to show, let's say, this main collection here on the main page or home page, let's say. So what we are going to do, by default I see here like image banner, right? So on image banner I added like here like as background like an image, and here like home okay, it's in French. So you see, sometimes you can get confused, sorry. So here it's men's collections, let's say, right? Save, hidden. So here is our title here, and then you have here like you can add a small description of what contains this collection or something like that. And then this button, we are going to show here our main collection, men's collection, you see. Okay, save. Yeah, you see here right now, if we refresh it and you click here, for example, in the home page, in the banner, you are going also to be redirected directly to the main collection for men's, and here you have subset collections. So now guys, I'm going to show you one last thing, which is how to remove this subset menu if you would like to remove it totally from your Shopify store with code, right? So we come back here on our Shopify store and online store, of course, theme, you click on these 3 dots, right? Edit code, and then you come here to templates and you will search here collection dot, after collection dot you will find the name you gave to your main collection. Here we gave like men's collections as a main collection for our subset collections. So we search here always on template collection dot the name you gave to your subset collection, which is here men's collection dot JSON, right? So we click on this one, and after that on the icon remove, and then delete, right? And we come back here, exit. The last thing we are going to do, is we are going also to remove like this collection we created, like the main one. Delete collection, delete, and that's it. Right now I think that we removed we deleted like the main collection for men's, so it will not show anymore like these subset collections, you see. Yeah, and also it was removed automatically from the main collection, right? And if we click here, I think it will be the same. If not, yeah, you see, yes. So congratulations guys, so you learned today how to create a subset collection and also how to remove it if you want. Just I would like to explain you to precise something very important. Please do not worry if you would like tomorrow to remove or delete, let's say, this main collection, because it will not never touch other collections you already created and added on this main collection. It will remove only like the main collection, but it will never remove the other collections or subset collections that you added to your main collection. Okay, so do not worry about this. So that's it guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you appreciate this small tutorial and that it will be very useful for you. So please do not forget to like this video and to share it, and of course if you have any difficulties to do any step here in this tutorial or something very hard for you, just leave me a comment and I will be happy to help you with. Yeah, and that's it. So good luck with your job, with your business, and see you next time.